Happy St. David's Day. It's March the 1st, the time of year when we celebrate this country we call Wales, being Welsh and our patron St. David. But what do we know about him? Well, I can tell you a few things, like he didn't drink beer, he didn't eat meat, he didn't believe in flashy clothes or even using animals to plough the fields. But there are more legendary stories and miracles which make him so remarkable, and I'm going to tell you one of those now. We need to head to West Wales, to a place called Llanddewi Brefi. Turn the clock back some 1,500 years and look over the fields. There on the horizon you'll see a man travelling. He's going from village to village, bringing with him news and messages of goodwill. Of course, this was a time before the internet, before television, before printed books. And when David, for that's the name of this travelling man, when he arrives in a new locality, people come from far and wide, curious to hear new ideas. And on this day, we watch them gather there in growing numbers on the riverbank. They feel something special is going to happen. Our man David's a little nervous. Well, you would be, wouldn't you? The crowd keeps growing. The excitement is palpable and noisy. "Brothers and sisters," he begins, but no one can hear him. "Has he started yet?" they shout. "I can't hear him. We can't see you. What's going on?" David takes a deep breath, drops a small piece of cloth on the ground by his feet, and starts to pray. "Dear God," he says, "please help me." You won't believe what happens next. The ground below his feet starts to rumble and shudder and raises up in height just as a hill being born, right there in front of everyone. And David standing now on top of that hill, high up, way above the crowd. Just like a stage in a festival. Everyone can see David. He raises his arms to the sky, and a white dove appears from nowhere and it settles on his shoulder. The crowd falls silent. Everything is still. "Dear brothers and sisters," David begins, "do the little things. Gwnewch y pethau bychain," he says. "By each one of us doing little things for good, the whole world can become a better place for everyone. Do the little things, like be kind, considerate, care about the natural world. Small things can make a difference. Small things can make a big difference." This is our patron saint's message to us, and isn't it as relevant today as ever? David died on the 1st of March 589 AD, and a few hundred years later he was made a saint. And in our world today, you might visit churches, villages, a shopping centre even named after him. One day, perhaps you'll visit St. David's itself. It's the smallest city in Britain, and you'll find there a glorious purple cathedral and abbey steadfast in the rolling fields of Pembrokeshire. I hope you enjoyed this story, and remember today, do the little things. Thank you for listening. Lots and lots of love, and happy St. David's Day. Dydd Gwyl Dewi hapus.